Once upon a time, if you wanted to survive, you had to move. To eat, to hunt, to swim, to get a safe place to live. Today, if you really want to, you can live without really moving much at all. And many of us do so. We spend most of our day sitting down. We go home, we sit for hours either watching TV or surfing on the internet. And we do this over and over. Clearly, we don't move as much as we used to before, but your body is meant to move. We usually try to bang out exercise quickly, and we focus on doing more reps in a short amount of time to increase intensity and burn more. But actually, this can be counterproductive. Hi everyone, I'm Tabitha, the founder of Reclaim Your Health, and I'm passionate about movement. Movement is so simple, yet it's vital for a healthy life. Our bodies are designed to move in all different directions, and it's as important as breathing, drinking, and eating. Movement is a primary need to live a healthy life, plus it's linked to so many aspects of your life. Today, it's all about functional movement. In this video, you'll discover how to implement the 5 simple movements for health into your routine to fix poor posture, to increase strength, balance, stability, to reduce your risk of fall, prevent injuries, and simply continue performing your daily tasks effortlessly and safely. Before that, please subscribe and click the below icon for updates. Also, in the description, you'll see a link to my free Heat Plus masterclass on movement and your lymphatic health. My one tip today is to train movement, not muscles. This is a holistic approach of viewing movement. I'm not sharing specific movement, but I'm going to share with you a framework to enable you to improve your form, to feel good, and to simply be able to perform relatively mundane daily activities effortlessly. Step 1. Make these 5 simple movements for health a priority in your daily routine. Movement 1, bending. Bending is a foundational movement. It's a movement many of us do every day. For example, when you tie a shoelace, when you stand up, when you pick up an object. You can practice this movement by sitting on a chair and standing back up. You can also do it without a chair if you want to, by doing a squat. Remember to keep your back straight to preserve your lower back. Movement 2, big step forward. Take a big step forward, and each step you lower your back knee nearly touching the floor. It will help strengthen your single-sided coordination and help you when you climb stairs or pick up things from the floor. Movement 3, rotational. To do this, you sit on a chair and you rotate slowly only the top part of your body completely to the right and then back to the left. Your lower body part shouldn't move. Movement 4, pushing. You can work on your push by standing up a couple of meters from the wall and just balance your body closer to the wall, keeping your feet in the same place. Put your hands in front and just push back a little the wall to get in a standing straight position. If you can do push-ups, then it's great, continue doing this. Movement 5, pulling. You can do this with a big elastic or resistant band. You can fasten it in front of you, stand straight, and pull the elastic towards you so your arms bend at 90 degrees. Then slowly come back to the original position, arms straight. You can execute these 5 simple movements for health at home, at the gym, outdoors. I'm not giving you numbers of repetitions you should do because this depends on you and on how you feel. You might already be doing these activities when you do some gardening, when you clean the home, or when you get out of bed. But it's important you really focus on the movement in itself. If you already have a fitness or routine program, I recommend including these 5 simple movements for health. Step 2, be mindful when you are doing these movements and exercises. You can try doing the movement at half the speed as you normally would to be more conscious of how every part of your body is moving. This can help you keep stable, not intentionally cheat, and improve your form. If you want to become the best version of yourself and know more about how to implement 5 simple movements for health into your workout, to fix faulty form, to increase muscle, to enhance neuromuscular strength, to reduce your risk of fall, prevent injuries, and simply continue performing your daily tasks efficiently and safely, feel free to subscribe on my website at tabithaborrell.com, on YouTube or Instagram, and be part of the Reclaim Your Health community. I can't wait to see you next week. Bye bye.